Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at dividend investing. Now, I like to invest in dividend paying stocks for passive income, and today I'm going to be looking again at an oil stock because oil is a bit out of favor, and this stock is at an all-time, well, maybe not all-time low, but it's a local low. Okay? It's had a high back here, 32 bucks a share, and oil was about 100 bucks a barrel or so. Oil's getting back up there again. So I think this stock has a lot of upside potential. Now let's look at the PE. The PE is 12.9, which is pretty low, under 15, so it's an ideal candidate for me to acquire. The yield 12%. Whoa, that's high. Yeah. Building those tendies with 12% interest. You can't beat that. Plus capital appreciation, and it looks like earnings are going up, up, because the price of oil is going up. Okay, so when the price of oil goes down, this is directly correlated. So a little bit about this company. You can see it does pipeline, midstream assets, blah, blah, blah. It's storage and transportation, kind of like ET and a couple of other oil plays that I have. So it's really good transportation. Oil, like I said before, not going anywhere anytime soon. I know solar and wind and hydro are all awesome, but it takes a lot to get there, and we're still going to have a reliance on oil even if we're 100%. So, what I want to do today is I want to buy some more of this. Alright, I'm going to go 100 bucks, 6.44 shares, approximately. Alright, so there we go. Shares are purchased in my account. Let's go back and look. Alright, you can see my total return is 20% now. Pretty decent still. Average cost is $12.86. Okay, buy that. It's not bad. It brought up my average a little. So, okay, but I'm going to be making 12% on my money. Can't beat that. Plus the capital appreciation. And if it goes back to 32 bucks a share, I'm going to double my money. So, just like printing tendies right there. Alright, guys? Tell me what you guys think. Dividend investing, passive income. It's a good deal. Alright, guys. Remember, check out my channel. Subscribe. I do a lot of wealth building techniques, dividend investing, options trading, and of course, cryptocurrency, which is also good for passive income. Printing some good interest over there at Celsius. Go check out those videos. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.